We are in class 10 Max, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. So in this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 5.1, question number 1, 2 and 3. So question number 1, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So they will give you a situation. We have to check whether it is an AP or not. So first situation, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So it means for the first kilometer the taxi fare is rupees 50. For the next kilometer you will add rupees 8 to the before kilometer. Okay, so this is the concept. So let us assume, let AN be the taxi fare for n kilometers. So then A1 will be the taxi fare for the first kilometer. For the first kilometer, taxi fare is 50. A2 is the taxi fare for the second 2 kilometers. Okay. So for 2 kilometers, he will add 8 to 15. Okay. So the taxi fare will be added by 8. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So here 1 kilometer is added. So we have to add 15 plus 8. So which is equal to 23. A3. So A3 will be, we have to add with 23 8. So for each additional kilometer we have to add 8 to the before number. So it will be 31. So the series will be, list will be 15, 23, 31. So if you check, it goes on like this. So if you check the difference, it is 23 minus 15, 31 minus 23, it is all 8. So D is equal to 23 minus 15, which is 8. 31 minus 23, which is also 8. So D is same for all values. So because we are just adding 8 to the previous number. So 8 is added in all the values. So the given list is an AP. So 1 is an arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope you can understand this. So let me go to the next problem. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So I am going to assume amount of air present in the cylinder be A. So what they are saying, they are removing 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So how much air is remaining in the cylinder? A. From A, we have to remove 1/4 of A. So then A1 will be A. A2 is equal to, from A, we have to remove 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder. How much is remaining? It is A is remaining. So it is nothing but A minus A by 4. So if I take LCM 4, I should multiply by 4 here. Otherwise, you can do in this way. So you have to make both the denominators as 4. So for that, in the first term, you have to multiply 4 and divide by 4. So A into 4 divided by 4 minus A by 4. So when the denominators are same, you can put one number, the same denominator here, and subtract or add the number. So it is 4A minus A. So 4A minus A is 3A divided by 4. Next A3. So A3 is nothing but the remaining air is 3A by 4. From 3A by 4, we are taking out 1/4 of the air. So from 3A by 4, we have to take the 1/4. So 3A by 4 minus 3A by 4 fours are 16. So we have to make the denominator same. So in order to make this 4 as 16, you have to multiply by 4. So also you have to multiply by 4 in the numerator also. So 3a into 4 divided by 4 into 4 minus 3a by 60. So both the denominators are same. So I am taking it as common. In the numerator we have 3 into 4, 12a minus 3a. 12a minus 3a is 9a by 60. So let us check for another term. So now the air is 9a by 16. So we have to subtract 1/4 from 9a by 16. It is 16 here. 9a by 16. So to make this as 16 into 4, we have to multiply up and down by 4. So 9a into 4 divided by 16 into 4 minus 9a by 16 into 4. So both are 16 into 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Here 9 fours are 36a minus 9a. So 36a minus 9a is, it is 27. So 27a by 64. Now the series is in this way. It is a, 3a by 4, 9a by 16, 27a by 64, etc. Now if you check the difference will not be same, because for the second term we are subtracting a by 4. For the third term we are subtracting 3a by 16. For the fourth term we are subtracting 9a by 64. So the term D term is different. D is different for all. So then the question 2 is not an AP. Okay. So this value we are subtracting or adding. So it should be same for all terms. But it is different. So then it is not an AP. Okay. Next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for the each subsequent meter. So for digging first meter, it is rupees 50. For digging the next meter, we have to add 50. For the first meter, it is 150. For the second meter, we have to add 50, which is equal to 200. This is the concept. That is, for every meter, we have to, for every additional meter, we have to add 50. So this is A1 and if this is A2, A3 is cost of digging a well for 3 meters. So 3 meters means with 2 meters, we have to add 50. So it will be 250. A4 will be with 250, we have to add 50. So which is equal to 300. So here the addition is same for all A's. So then D is same for all N. If this is same, then the given list is an AP. So what is the list? The list is 150, 200, 250, 300, etc. Forms an arithmetic progression. Okay, understood? So next problem. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. So at first we are depositing 10,000 in the bank. So the bank gives 8% per annum. So what happens in the next year? This amount will increase with 8%. So what is the value? Then at present we have 10,000. So if you apply interest to this amount, so interest is 8% into the amount is 10,000. So cancel the two zeros. So it is 100 here. 8 into 100, it is 800. So 10,000 plus 800, which is equal to 10,800. So now here we are adding 800. So this 800 should be same. Otherwise, it is not an AP. So amount of money in the second year is represented as A2. So in the third year, it will be A3. So what is the amount now present? It is 10,800. So if we apply interest for this amount, so 8 by 100 into 10,800. So zeros are cancelled. So we have to add with this. So 10,800 plus 8 eights are 64. I am writing 6 here because here 0 is there. So 8 into 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. 8 into 8, 8 into 1, it is 8. But we are adding here 864. So the difference is not same. So if you add, it is 8 plus 8, 16. Balance 1, 1, 1, 6, 4. So what happened? This difference is not same for all A's. So then it is not an AP. So the series is 10,000, 10,800, 11,664. It goes on like this. Here D is not same. D is not same. So then the given question is not an arithmetic progression. Okay, understood? So let me go to the next problem. So this is so easy. Write the first four terms of the arithmetic progression when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So they gave the first term and the common difference. We have to write the four terms. So first term is 10. What is the next term? We have to add with D. 10 plus D. So 10 plus D means 10 plus 10. So just a minute, I will erase this D. So 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. The next term will be 20 plus 10, which is equal to 30. Next term will be 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. So we need only four terms. The four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. So these are the first four terms. Second problem, here A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 10. Suppose if you write A1, which is the first term is A, minus 2. A2, it is nothing but A1 plus D, minus 2 plus 0. D is 0, minus 2. A3 will be A2 plus D. So A2 is minus 2, D is 0, minus 2. Fourth term A4 equal to A3 plus D. So we have to add D with the previous term. So for A4, the previous term is A3. So A3 is minus 2, D is 0, which is equal to minus 2. So the four terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. If D is 0, all the terms will be same. For the next one, here the first term is, it is given, which is A, which is equal to 4. So second term A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 is 4, D is minus 3. So plus into minus, minus. 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A2 is 1 plus D is minus 3. Plus into minus is minus. So 1 minus 3. So here we have to subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. But the negative sign appears for the bigger number. So we will get the answer in negative. So it is minus 2. A4 equal to A3 plus D. So A3 is minus 2 plus D is minus 3. So minus 2 plus into minus minus 3. So here both are negative. So we must put the negative sign and add 2 plus 3. It is 5. So the four terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So this is the terms. Next fourth problem. Here A1 equal to minus 1, which is A. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. What is A1? It is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. So we have to take LCM as 2. Here 2 is not there. So we have to multiply and divide by 2. So in the numerator we will multiply by 2. So minus 1 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus 1. We have to subtract the numbers. So if you subtract 2 and 1, it is 1, and negative sign appears for the bigger number. So we will get the answer as negative 1. Negative 1 by 2. Next, A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is minus 1 by 2 plus D is 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it gets cancelled. So the answer will be 0. So I will proceed here. A4. A4 equal to A3 plus D. So A3 is 0. So 0 plus, what is D? D is 1 by 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So the four numbers are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. So these are the first four terms for this arithmetic progression. I have moved the fifth problem to the next page as I don't have enough space there. So the fifth problem, here A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. So the first term A1 equal to, which is A minus 1.25, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. So A1 is minus 1.25 plus D is minus 0.25. So which is equal to minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 0.25. So here both are negative. So put the negative sign and add. So 1.25 plus 0.25. 5 plus 5 it is 10. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 1 plus 0 1. So it is negative 1.50. Next A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. So A2 is negative 1.50 plus negative 0.25. So negative 1.50 plus into minus, minus 0.25. Both are negative. Put the negative sign and add. If you add, it is 1.50 and 0.25. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Put a negative sign. 1 plus 0, 1. So it is 1.75. Next A4. A4 equal to A3 plus D. So A3 is negative 1.75 plus negative 0.25. So negative 1.75 plus into minus is minus 0.25. So if you add 0.25 with this, 5 plus 5 it is 10. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 it is 10. So put 0 and add 1 to this. 1 plus 1 2. So it is negative 2. So these are the first two terms. Minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 2 are the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. So I hope you can understand all these problems. So I move on to the next problem of the session, which is the last one. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So first term, which is A, and the common difference is D. So they said it is an arithmetic progression. So D will be same for any two consecutive numbers. So let us choose the first number and second number and find out D. Here A is the first term. So A is equal to 3. D is A2 minus A1. So we can choose A3 minus A2 also, any two consecutive terms. So I am choosing A2 minus A1. A2 is second term, which is 1, minus A1 is 3. So here we have to subtract. 3 minus 1, it is 2. And negative sign is for bigger number. So we will get the answer in negative. It is plus, minus. If the signs are different, we have to subtract. If the signs are same, put that sign and add. Okay. So next problem, second problem, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So the first term is A, which is minus 5. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. Here A2 is the second term, which is minus 1 minus A1. A1 is the first term, which is minus 5. So minus 1 minus into minus, it is plus 5. Here 1 is plus, 1 is negative. We have to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number sign is positive. So 5 minus 1 is positive 4. Okay. So third one, here the first term A is equal to 1 by 3. D is equal to second term minus first term. So second term is 5 by 3 minus first term is 1 by 3. So the denominator is 3. 5 minus 1, it is 4. Okay. So let me write the steps. Just a minute. 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 3. So D is equal to 4 by 3. Next problem. Here the first term is A, which is equal to 0.6. So D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 1.7 minus first term is 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6 is 7 minus 6 is 1. Put the decimal. 1 minus 0, 1. So it is 1.1. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Also, I am taking online tuition for CBSE class 10 maths. If you want any details, you can mail me. If you like the video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.